Today, we're diving into the essentials of residential slope stabilization. If you live on a slope property, understanding how to stabilize and protect your slope is crucial for the safety and value of your home. We'll explore what slope stabilization is, why it's necessary, and the common techniques used. Plus, we'll address what to do if your retaining wall is failing. Let's get started. Residential slope stabilization is the process of stabilizing unstable slopes on residential properties. Many homes in Southern California are built on hilly terrains, which are susceptible to landslides and erosion, especially during heavy rain or snow. These issues can pose significant risks to both the safety of homeowners and the integrity of their property. By implementing slope stabilization, homeowners can mitigate these risks, preventing landslides and soil erosion while protecting their homes and the surrounding properties. This involves various engineering techniques and materials designed to enhance the lateral stability of a structure on a slope or hillside. The benefits of slope stabilization are significant. Protection from accidents and damage. Stabilized slopes reduce the risk of landslides and soil erosion, safeguarding your home and your loved ones. Increase property value. A stabilized slope can turn an unstable area into a beautiful and functional outdoor space, boosting your property's value. Protect landscaping. Proper stabilization helps preserve your landscaping, preventing soil erosion and allowing vegetation to thrive. Promote good drainage. Effective slope stabilization includes managing water runoff, protecting both your landscaping and surrounding properties from water damage. Compliance with regulations. Many areas have building codes and environmental regulations that require proper slope stabilization before construction. Ensuring compliance can prevent fines and legal issues. Here are some common techniques used in residential slope stabilization. Retaining walls. These structures can hold soil in place and prevent erosion. They can be made from materials like concrete, brick, stone, or even timber. Soil nailing. This involves reinforcing soil with steel rods or nails, which are inserted into the slope and covered with a mesh for additional support. Vegetation cover. Planting vegetation on slopes helps bind the soil and prevent erosion. It's a cost-effective and eco-friendly method. Rock bolts. These are used to stabilize rock slopes by drilling holes and inserting steel rods or bolts to prevent rocks from falling. Drainage systems. Installing drainage systems help remove excess water from the soil, reducing the risk of saturation and slope failure. Now, let's address the common issue. What if your retaining wall is failing? If your wall looks sad or is no longer straight or is showing signs of cracking or crumbling, you might be wondering whether to fix it, replace it, or tear it down completely. Fixing your retaining wall. Fixing a failing retaining wall is often the most cost-effective option. This usually involves adding vertical piers or horizontal tiebacks to support the wall. The goal is to stabilize the wall and prevent future movement, but this might not correct an already existing lean. Replacing the wall. If the damage is extensive, replacement might be a more viable option. This involves removing the old wall and installing a new one, often with better design features like vertical piers or tiebacks for enhanced stability. Tearing it down. In some cases, it might be worth considering tearing down the failing retaining wall and not replacing it, especially if the wall's function is no longer needed or if it's too costly to repair. Repairing a wall with minor issues might involve adding supports or reinforcing the structure. However, if your wall has significant problems, such as stair-stepping cracks, the repair could involve more extensive work, like cutting out and replacing sections of the wall. Replacing a retaining wall can be more expensive, but might offer a long-term solution with improved design. The longer you wait, the more costly repairs can become. If you're considering your options, it's important to get a professional evaluation to make an informed decision. If you think your property could benefit from residential slope stabilization, or if you're dealing with a failing retaining wall, contact Dalinghaus Construction today. We offer free evaluations and estimates. We serve Southern California, Arizona, and Nevada. Thanks for watching. And don't settle for a failing or leaning retaining wall. Make the best decision for your home and ensure your property remains safe and beautiful. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on home improvement and property maintenance. See you next time.